ki statement karo.
The Khasi Students' Union has dismissed the government's verbal assurance and called on all 60 legislators to oppose the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024 in its current form during the ongoing budget session of the Assembly. This stance follows a meeting between a KSU delegation and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma after the union's protest march to the Assembly yesterday. The government has promised to introduce necessary amendments to the MSIPF Act 2024 and the accompanying rules in the next session following consultations with all relevant stakeholders. KSU President Lombok Star Marngar has expressed dissatisfaction with the outcome of the discussion and said if the act remains unchanged, it should be scrapped immediately.
Andai pisau tu kidon kanut kidon jungki bah pokliak sencar. Kaduk song baju husiai husino. Tinggi suatu bat kikuat ban keren. Pak kan keruak. Seberok tu ki yamli kasih. Napok karilum nyup beri nyup terat berkawai. Lagi don kecingit kli kebasai wabek bat kikuat ampenhun yau pai ba ulah jiat dapat songski ki. Kiben ong tang weekendien don kam man persengek soal amen jikan ka.
Two vehicles, one belonging to the Meghalaya Infrastructure